Steaming some butterfish and salmon. Lightly seasoned with chicken bouillon, black pepper, lemongrass, and Kaffir lime leaves. And voila! About 5 to 6 minutes of steaming. Melting some unsalted butter with some garlic. Add some lime juice. This is frozen cubed lime juice that I had frozen. But you can use fresh lime juice or lemon juice. Just gonna let them melt. And just gonna add a pinch, a teaspoon of MSG. And the MSG, chicken bouillon seasoning, sorry. Chicken bouillon. And voila, all done. Our beautiful steamed butterfish and salmon. Just put some of the sauce. A sprinkle of cilantro, and voila, steamed butterfish and steamed salmon. Melt in your mouth.